flooding Prince George's County in central Maryland until 12:15 a.m. At 9:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that may experience flooding include Clinton, Fort Washington, Rosaryville, Friendly, Marlton, Accokeek, Brandywine, Baden, Cheltenham, and Tantallon. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.